I'm Hans Lysklimt. I'm the founder and chairman of Runbox.com. Now, I want to talk about open and free software. There is a real movement out there of different people making free software, and free software is the way to go forward. Traditionally, software has been proprietary. It has been owned by corporations, and their business model has been around selling access or copies of this software. But the problem with that is that people don't really know what's happening in the software. You see, software is written in code, but then it's compiled into something that machines can read and use, and no one can see the code anymore. And the code can have all kinds of problems and difficulties and weaknesses, but nobody knows that. For example, all the code of Microsoft is protected and locked, so no one knows what's going on. This is not something that companies can really rely on a greater scale. So one of the things that's solved with open source and free software is that the software is open, and there are tens and hundreds and thousands of people looking at the software, improving the software, and if there's a glitch or any problem with it, it will be discovered very early and fixed. And that's the magic of it. And the great thing with free and open software, especially the software that's released by GPL license, is that anyone can use it for free. So this is software that has been produced with thousands and thousands of man hours that we can just access for free. It's a wonderful thing. What we need to do is to contribute back, that if we develop the software further and do something great with it, we should really contribute to the community and share that code back. That's the deal. We get the free software. If we improve it, we give it back to others. It's a great deal. Runbox is a company that's utilizing this to its fullest. We've been very successfully running the Runbox email application online since 1999, and Runbox had hundreds of thousands of users. Now, we see for the next 10 years going forward that we will help companies get online and use the force and the amazing abilities of free and open source software. We will help you utilize this. That's the new direction for Runbox. So if you want to use the force of Runbox and the force of open source software, you should get a Runbox account, and we will help you set up the open source applications that you want to use. We will help you run them in the future and give you a full service level agreement on these open source applications.